I really love it when I accidentally stumble upon a backroads treasure that I wasn't expecting to find. Bassett, Nebraska is a little town of just over 500 people where you're going to find three amazing things. Actually, to be honest, more than three things. Stick around because I think you're really going to like the last one. I'm Jeff. This is Backroads Tourist. That's right, there are a lot of cool things here in Bassett. The first one is this old gas station. It's been restored to the way it looked way back in its prime. This old Phillips 66 station is a thing of beauty to look at. From the classic gas pumps to the oil cans stacked in a pyramid, this gas station takes you back to a simpler time. You know, you half expect an attendant in a white uniform to come out, fill her up, and then check the oil under your hood. Right next door to the gas station is a service garage that's also been restored. You know, I really admire the commitment to detail that went into this project. I had a lot of fun looking at it, and if you make your way into downtown Bassett, I think you will too. Not too far away from this classic gas station is a park featuring an old western town look. There are plenty of picnic tables and a stage area for a band or other performing artists. By the way, there's something else very special about Bassett. This little town has really embraced the arts. They even have a free art gallery on Main Street. The old feed store art gallery has a lot of interesting pieces, and it's well worth a detour if you're an art lover. Before I show you the last very interesting thing about Bassett, I'd like to ask you to please give this video a like. Give it a thumbs up to help get it recommended to others. And if you enjoy fun, quirky, offbeat places, or if you're a fan of cruising, you may want to subscribe to the Backroads Tourist channel. It's a fun ride, and I think you'll enjoy it. So every now and then as I'm traveling along, I see something that makes me do a double take and then start laughing. That happened in Bassett. Take a look at this house. Kudos to whomever had this idea and then followed through with it. I think it's awesome. Hey, thanks for joining me today on my fun trip to Bassett, Nebraska. I'm Jeff, and I'll see you on the Backroads.